see what's new in Continuous Delivery Automation version 12.3. In this release, we have included features around infrastructure management, modern architecture support, our continuous delivery solution, improved user experience and other enhancements. The new Infrastructure Manager solution simplifies and improves the existing environment provisioning functionality. Infrastructure Manager relies on an open-source tool called Terraform to provide integrations with infrastructure providers and a templating functionality. The advantages of the new module include built-in SCode, versioning and templating, thanks to the text-based Terraform templates, managed in the Git repository. Since Terraform currently has the highest market share in the infrastructure management tools, you will benefit from a large community with many examples available online. Our CDA integration with the Infrastructure Manager enables you to accomplish single-click full-stack provisioning for your environments, including the execution of any CDA workflows to deploy or test the application. This implementation also provides access control and traceability on top of Terraform, along with full lifecycle management for the infrastructure. The Infrastructure Manager is a standalone module. To improve its usability, we provide a native interface in CDA with a familiar look and feel. Another advantage is the ability to configure and store infrastructure provider information to control the access to those providers without exposing credentials to the end users. We deliver the full traceability CDA customers are used to, including all of the executions, who started them, the end time and even the commit code from the Git repository. The Infrastructure Manager module relies on a Git repository to store and version all the Terraform templates so our customers get the full SCode functionality along with access control out of the box. Another new feature we are introducing in this release is better native support for new technologies like Docker. Docker was created to eliminate the complexity and increase the speed of application deployments and reduce the errors related to those deployments in various environments. As such, we aim to enable our customers to easily adopt Docker in their environments without sacrificing enterprise functionality like traceability, access control, governance and visibility. In this release, we have introduced a simple command line tool that can be used in continuous integration systems to generate or update applications in CDA based on the contents of Helm charts managed by the development teams. The Helm chart continues to be used for actual deployments in all environments, while CDA provides the control and traceability. CDA can also manage the environment-specific configuration required by the Helm charts, and provide additional visibility into which version of which container was actually deployed in each environment. On this slide you can see the basic flow in Vision for this integration. Developers work with Helm charts to describe the Docker deployment and store those charts in a source control system. When a new version is detected by the CI system, for example, Jenkins, our command line client is executed in order to parse and create, or update an application in CDA that will be used to execute the actual deployments. At that point the continuous integration tool, or a user, can trigger a deployment to any available environment from CDA. Within CDA, the Docker-based application looks like any other application. Each container is represented by a virtual component along with the Helm chart in use. Packages will show the actual container versions used at the end of the deployment. With this release we are bringing the Continuous Delivery Automation and Continuous Delivery Director tools closer together to offer you an integrated continuous delivery solution. We provide a tighter integration of the tools regarding the execution state, CDA runtime capabilities, common deployment KPIs, task synchronization and others. In this view you can see the synchronized execution state and data in CDD. We also provide another view of the KPIs report in CDA. With the 12.3 release we continue to improve the upgrade experience for our customers. To this end, an upgrade tool that automates the CDA client database upgrade and configuration file updates has been introduced. This slide shows a view of the upgrade tool which also has the ability to simulate a database upgrade. We have also reduced the time needed to install or upgrade action packs and have updated the plugin manager to allow administrators to update or install an action pack and see the corresponding change logs directly in CDA. Here you can see the updated plugin manager and all the available action packs. Another feature that has been improved for the 12.3 release is the SCode functionality. Now, you can generate a full release in CDD along with corresponding applications in CDA from the same source in order to enable SCode for our continuous delivery solution, and not just for individual tools. In the area of continuous delivery for packaged applications, we have updated the Siebel pack to include support for the Siebel application migration tool and additional actions for Siebel IP18. Additionally, we have introduced a number of other action packs in order to reduce the number of custom scripts required for deployment automation. Finally, we worked on support for OpenJDK 11, integrated improvement in the AWI navigation, and we have completed the SNSC certification for ServiceNow London.